Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star located at the shoulder of the Orion constellation, has recently become a focal point of scientific intrigue. It has experienced an extraordinary 250% increase in brightness, leading some astronomers to speculate that it may soon explode in a supernova. While the exact timing remains uncertain, the dramatic shift in its luminosity has ignited excitement among both amateur stargazers and professionals. This unpredictable behavior of Betelgeuse is not new, as it has long been known to fluctuate in brightness. As a semi-regular variable star, its luminosity changes over time, sometimes suggesting an impending catastrophic event. In May 2023, scientists recorded an astonishing 142% increase in its brightness, followed by a later 150% surge, confirming that Betelgeuse is becoming even more luminous. Notably, Betelgeuse is now the seventh brightest star in the night sky, a remarkable climb from its usual spot. Astronomers are particularly fascinated by the opportunity to study the final stages of such a massive star's life, which can offer valuable insights into the behavior of red giants before they explode into a supernova. When Betelgeuse eventually detonates, it could become incredibly bright, potentially casting shadows for several days. The star's brightness cycle, which typically lasts about 130 days, is much shorter than its usual 400-day cycle, offering astronomers a unique chance to observe this celestial phenomenon in greater detail. The odd behavior of Betelgeuse began in 2019 when it suddenly expelled part of its outer atmosphere. This has fueled speculation about whether it could soon explode, although predicting when this will happen is challenging due to limited historical data and the complexity of stellar evolution. Betelgeuse is currently in the late stages of its evolution as a red supergiant, fusing elements like helium into carbon. Over time, it will continue to fuse heavier elements until it can no longer sustain nuclear reactions. This will lead to gravitational collapse, possibly forming either a black hole or a neutron star. While some believe its explosion is imminent, historical records suggest that it has been in a state of gradual expansion for centuries, implying that it could still take a significant amount of time before the supernova occurs. Before it potentially explodes, NASA estimates that Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star, isn't expected to detonate for another 100,000 years. This provides reassurance that its impact is unlikely to occur within our lifetimes. Despite uncertainties about Betelgeuse's behavior, its fluctuations continue to fascinate astronomers and fuel advancements in our understanding of stellar evolution. Dr. Sarah Webb reminds us to remain open to all possibilities, even though the chance of witnessing Betelgeuse's explosion during our lives is slim. Monitoring its changes could lead to new scientific breakthroughs, helping us expand our knowledge of the universe. Betelgeuse is, in essence, a glimpse into the past, as the light we see from it is over 600 years old. This means the star may have already exploded, and we just haven't seen it yet. While this possibility remains uncertain, history shows that our understanding of space science can be appended. In 1987, astronomers believed only red supergiants could go supernova, until a blue star in another galaxy exploded, surprising the scientific community. There's still much to learn, and new surprises could be waiting. Tracking Betelgeuse and other massive stars helps expand our comprehension of stellar phenomena. Even without an impending explosion, Betelgeuse's ongoing changes remain captivating. These fluctuations, both diminishing and brightening, reveal intriguing physics. The way stars evolve on human timescales is remarkable, and Betelgeuse is currently much brighter than expected due to its irregular multi-day cycle. While it's hoped the star will eventually return to this cycle, recent observations suggest Betelgeuse may be in its final stages, transitioning from carbon to heavier elements like oxygen and magnesium. If this is the case, astronomers expect a core collapse, which could lead to a supernova within the next few years. However, the exact stage of Betelgeuse's evolution is difficult to pinpoint, and uncertainties persist. The likelihood of witnessing its explosion remains unclear, as the carbon-burning phase could last up to 1,000 years. Moreover, the study suggesting an imminent explosion has not yet been published. Regardless, the possibility of Betelgeuse going supernova is thrilling. If it does, it would be a spectacular event visible even during the day, lasting for several days. The early signs of the explosion will be subtle but noticeable, with neutrinos sweeping across Earth and high-energy photons escaping from the expanding cloud of debris. Betelgeuse would grow significantly brighter in the night sky, potentially reaching up to 10,000 times its usual brightness over a few weeks. This event would be visible during the day, casting dramatic shadows at night. The aftermath of the explosion could make Betelgeuse appear as bright as half a full moon, packed into a small spot of light. This brightness would likely be visible during the daytime, and estimates suggest that Betelgeuse could become 15 to 30 times brighter than Venus, currently the second brightest object in the night sky. The supernova's display would last at least 100 days, captivating both astronomers and casual skywatchers, providing a rare opportunity to observe the phenomenon up close. Fortunately, Betelgeuse's explosion would pose no threat to humanity, as it is still far enough away. Telescopes and optical instruments would allow us to safely observe the event. While supernovae are often seen as ominous signs, Betelgeuse's demise could spark renewed interest in stargazing, rekindling the public's fascination with the wonders of the universe. Betelgeuse may not be the only red supergiant in our galaxy at risk of exploding. Others, like Edi Carni, could go supernova before Betelgeuse. In fact, our Milky Way is overdue for a supernova, as such events occur roughly once every 400 years. Although we haven't observed one recently, we can see the remnants of past explosions, suggesting a major cosmic event is on the horizon. It's only a matter of time before the next star goes supernova, capturing the attention of the universe. Betelgeuse's history is rich with fascinating events, including the dramatic dimming in late 2019, which puzzled astronomers and led to speculation about a possible explosion. While Betelgeuse returned to its usual brightness by April 2020, the cause of the dimming remained a mystery until further observations offered new insights. Skywatchers can easily spot Betelgeuse from their homes, making it an accessible celestial object to observe. If a supernova does occur, it would undoubtedly provide a stunning cosmic display. As we continue to monitor Betelgeuse, the star remains a focal point of interest for both professional astronomers and amateur skywatchers. Its ongoing changes offer fascinating opportunities to study the processes occurring in a dying star, and with cutting-edge technology, scientists can now observe Betelgeuse's behavior with unprecedented accuracy. Astronomers, aided by advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, are uncovering more about the massive and mysterious star Betelgeuse. The study of supernovae, such as the explosion Betelgeuse may eventually undergo, holds profound implications for our understanding of the universe. These explosions play a crucial role in forming elements heavier than iron, which are essential for creating planets, life, and the very universe we live in. The death of stars like Betelgeuse contributes to the building blocks of the cosmos, enabling new stars and planets to form from the remnants of their exploded cores. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova during our lifetime, it would offer a rare and breathtaking opportunity to witness such an event up close. For those fortunate enough to observe it, the explosion would briefly outshine all other stars, becoming a striking feature in our night sky. As astronomers race to capture data from the event, it would accelerate advancements in space exploration, offering new insights into stellar evolution, massive explosions, and the mysteries of the universe. Regardless of when it happens, Betelgeuse's potential explosion will be a pivotal moment in space science. It will deepen our understanding of stellar death and the life cycles of massive stars. This extraordinary event could also inspire future generations of astronomers, sparking an interest in the universe and encouraging a sense of awe at the vastness of space. As scientists continue to monitor Betelgeuse's behavior, the mysteries surrounding its life cycle and impending death continue to captivate researchers worldwide. One of the most fascinating aspects of Betelgeuse is its unpredictability. While many stars exhibit regular patterns of brightness, Betelgeuse is far from typical. Its fluctuations in light are not solely due to its regular variations but also because of the violent processes occurring in its outer layers. These emissions, which eject material from the star's surface, indicate instability and add complexity to its potential to become a supernova. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse are nearing the end of their life cycle after depleting the hydrogen in their cores. This marks the beginning of a complex process in which the star fuses progressively heavier elements until it reaches a critical point where fusion can no longer be sustained. This depletion of nuclear fuel causes the star to expand dramatically, classifying it as a supergiant. During the final stages of its life, such stars undergo extreme physical changes, and Betelgeuse is no exception. Its outer layers are unstable, constantly shifting and expanding, which causes its brightness to fluctuate irregularly. As the star approaches the end of its life, it will continue to expel material from its outer atmosphere, which can significantly alter its appearance and light output. The interaction between the star's magnetic fields and its outer layers further complicates this process. These magnetic forces can trigger violent outbursts and cause periodic dimming or brightening, a phenomenon that is still under active investigation. Understanding how these magnetic fields influence the life and death of stars will help astronomers refine models of stellar evolution. Betelgeuse's erratic behavior provides an invaluable case study for astrophysicists studying other red supergiants in similar stages of their life cycles. Its instability and unpredictable brightness allow scientists to closely observe the intricate details of a star's death throes. As one of the most closely monitored stars, Betelgeuse offers unparalleled opportunities to explore the process of stellar death. Astronomers use sophisticated instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope and the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope to study Betelgeuse's light curves, which reveal the internal processes occurring within the star. The eventual collapse of Betelgeuse into a supernova would have significant effects on the surrounding interstellar medium. The explosion would release vast amounts of energy, dispersing heavy elements into space and enriching the cosmos with materials that could later form new stars, planets, and potentially even life. This cosmic death would contribute to the ongoing process of cosmic recycling, sustaining the life cycle of galaxies. While the event is too distant to pose any danger to Earth, it serves as a reminder of the powerful forces at work throughout the universe. Even after its final moments, Betelgeuse's legacy will continue to shape our understanding of the cosmos for generations to come. In essence, Betelgeuse's potential supernova is not only a dramatic event for astronomers, but a monumental milestone in our quest to understand the immense power and mysteries of the universe. As we await its fate, Betelgeuse remains one of the most captivating stars in the night sky, keeping both scientists and stargazers eagerly anticipating the secrets it holds.